Hi everyone, Derek from Outset, and I have a question for you. In these times of economic woes and financial stress, are you finding it difficult to afford to be a gamer? I've got a great deal for you. Outset's newest game, Flora Funga, is actually two games in one, the game of Flora and the game of Funga. So Flora Funga has a very unique box. The outer lid is actually our game board. Now, this game board is used in both games. In Flora, our card drafting game, all of our pieces are placed here, with this row of stones actually used as a turn tracker. However, in Funga, which is a tile laying game, we're laying all of the mushroom pieces here, but the row of stones is actually a way of tracking score. Let's take a closer look at the card drafting game, Flora. To set up Flora, the deck of cards is going to be divided into 4 equal piles. Each player is given one pile of these cards, and we're going to draft that perfect hand. We're going to take one card, pass the remaining until we have 8 cards that we've selected. Each of these cards has different layouts of dandelions. On my turn, I'm going to add a dandelion piece or pieces, and then I move the bee one pebble or one space. As I'm laying these buds, yellow flowers, and seed heads, I'm checking my cards. As soon as the number of dandelion pieces match a card in my hand, I discard that card. The first person to discard all 8 of their cards wins. My favorite part about this game is when the bee tracker is on the pebble with the seed head, the wind blows. And the seed heads, not the yellow flowers or the buds, but the seed heads and everything underneath them is blown away, causing the dandelion configurations to constantly be in flux, making for an ever-changing game. Flora is only one half of Flora Funga. Let's take a look at the other half now. To set up a game of Funga, each player is going to be given one special power token. These special powers may have you get bonuses from certain mushrooms or play additional cards. That token is laid face up for all players to see. I'm given a hand of 4 different Funga cards with configurations, and I pick the best 3 that I like and lay them in front of me. Finally, I pick my favorite color B token and place it on the scoring track. Gameplay couldn't be simpler. I'm going to pick one mushroom and I'm going to add that mushroom anywhere on the board. Let's say, for example, I want to try to score this card. I'm going to need 3 mushrooms in a straight line touching each other in order to score those 6 points. Players can see which cards I have and how I'm scoring, and so they may add a mushroom tile to either help or hinder me in my scoring. Once the last mushroom tile has been added to the board, we check our bee placement, and whichever bee is the furthest is the winner of the game. Remember, in these times of financial woe, getting 2 games for the price of 1 is a financially sound decision. Pick up Flora Funga today.